Jack, have you seen my keys?
No, I haven't. Where did you put them last time?
I don't remember. I had them yesterday.
Did you check your bag?
Yes, I did. They're not there.
What about your jacket pocket?
Empty. Nothing inside.
Maybe you left them on the kitchen table.
No, only my phone is there.
How about the sofa cushions? Sometimes things fall there.
Good idea. Let me look. Nope, not here either.
Did you leave them in the bathroom?
Oh, that's a good thought. Let me check. No, not here.
Hmm, strange. Where could they be? We can't leave without them.
I know. Did I wear jeans yesterday?
Yes, the blue ones. Did you check their pockets?
Wait a second. Oh, yes, here they are.
Finally, you found them.
I was so worried.
Next time, please put them in the key bowl.
You're right. I'll do that from now on.
Good. Now let's go before we're late.
Yes, let's go. And maybe we should buy a tracker for the keys.
Great idea. One for you and one for me.
Jack, my phone just died.
What? No battery at all?
0. It shut off completely.
Did you bring a charger?
No, I forgot.
What about a power bank?
Oh no, I left it at home.
Great. How will we call a taxi now?
Do you have your phone?
Yes, but only 10% left.
Careful, don't waste it.
Should we ask someone for help?
Maybe. That woman over there looks kind.
Or we can find a cafe.
Yes, cafes have sockets and Wi-Fi too.
Perfect. We can charge our phones there.
Until then, let's not panic.
I feel lost without my phone.
Me too. It's like my map and my clock.
Okay, let's walk to that cafe.
Good idea.
We'll sit, recharge, and get some coffee.
Now that sounds even better. Jack, it's raining.
What? Oh no! I forgot the umbrella.
Again? You always forget the umbrella.
I thought the weather would be sunny today.
Sunny, look at the sky. It's darker than your coffee.
Yeah, maybe the weather app lied to me.
What should we do now? We'll get soaked walking home.
Maybe we can run for it.
Run? I'm wearing new shoes. I'm not running in the rain.
Sorry. Okay, maybe we can find a shop.
Good idea. Let's wait inside somewhere.
Or maybe we can just buy a new umbrella?
Yes, that's even better. Do you see any store nearby?
Yes, there's one across the street.
But we'll get wet crossing.
True. Let's wait for the rain to slow down a little.
Fine. But next time, please remember the umbrella.
You always say that.
Because you never remember.
This time I mean it. I'll even sleep with the umbrella next to the door.
Good. Maybe then you'll finally bring it.